Join us as we step aboard one of British Columbia's most unique railway experiences. Today, we're riding the Fraser Valley Heritage Railway in Cloverdale, where beautifully restored electric interurban trains bring over a century of railway history back to life. Located at historic Cloverdale Station, this remarkable attraction is operated entirely by passionate volunteers dedicated to preserving British Columbia's railway heritage. Originally, BC Electric Railway began passenger service here on July 1st, 1910, connecting New Westminster with Chilliwack. Today, visitors can experience that history aboard beautifully restored antique interurban railcars running along 7.4 kilometers of original track. Whether you choose the shorter Heritage Rail adventure or the full 55-minute return trip to Sullivan Station, you'll enjoy the distinctive clickety-clack of steel wheels while knowledgeable volunteers share fascinating stories about the railway's history and the incredible restoration work behind each car.
So it's time that we can go. And the one on my left is the emergency brake.
You're going to be able to see those traction motors underneath the car. Remember, in between wheels, there's the traction motor. There it is, the big motor.
The longer journey includes railway crossings, a stop that halts all 4 lanes of Highway 10, bridges, open farmland, and even a line track switch demonstration by the operating crew. There's much more to explore beyond the ride itself. Inside the car barn, you'll see restoration work in progress, while the Discovery Center features interactive exhibits, a short theater presentation, railway history displays, and hands-on activities for children and adults alike. Families can also enjoy the Honeybee Express miniature train, ride the hand-powered family quad car, or even earn a special button by taking the rare Velocipede down the track. With seasonal events, live music, holiday train rides, and a friendly gift shop, the Fraser Valley Heritage Railway offers one of the Fraser Valley's most enjoyable family attractions. Rain or shine, it's a memorable step back into British Columbia's railway past. As it happens, the Fraser Valley Heritage Railway Society is celebrating its 25th silver anniversary in 2026. Operating out of the Cloverdale Heritage Railway campus in Surrey, BC, the milestone features weekend historical excursions, seasonal festivities, and the free Cloverdale Summer Music Festival.